Withdrawing money from YouTube after your account review can be a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you receive your earnings smoothly. Step 1. Meet the eligibility requirements. Before you can withdraw money, ensure that you meet YouTube's eligibility requirements, including having a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Step 2. Set up AdSense account. If you haven't already, create an AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel. This is necessary for receiving payments. Follow the prompts to complete the setup and link it to your YouTube account. Step 3. Enable monetization. Make sure monetization is enabled on your YouTube channel. Go to YouTube Studio, click on monetization, and follow the instructions to turn on ads for your videos. Step 4. Accumulate earnings. Once monetization is enabled, start accumulating earnings from ads on your videos. You will need to reach the payment threshold set by AdSense, which is typically $100. Step 5. Request payment. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the srock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. After completing these steps, you should be able to withdraw your earnings from YouTube successfully. Make sure to keep track of your earnings and any updates to YouTube's policies for a smooth experience.